Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to open up and check out the Peloton guide.
Ugh, this is about as heavy as the bike.
Is it heavy?
It's heavy.
Wow.
What else you got?
Oh, and this is the heart rate band. We have the Peloton Bike Plus. We've had it for about a year now. And we've been doing a lot of strength programs on there. And we just kind of swivel the screen and stand in front of it. But this kind of takes it to a whole new level because it can actually watch you.
It looks like it's doing strength training, taking the plastic off. Ta-da! Okay, I get to throw it out.
Right, so this kind of watches you while you're doing your workout so that you can know if you're doing the right thing.
Woo! Man. Here,
Cool.
move over, heart rate monitor. Okay.
Right, so here it is. It looks like a camera, I guess, because it does have a camera on it.
Nice. Ooh, look at that.
top.
Fancy.
There's the Peloton guide. Here's the setup. Oh, it's got all the information here. So this is the remote. It's got a soft rubbery surface here, smooth.
Now, how many buttons does it have? Let's see. It has that button. This like a ring here.
It's like a touch ring. You can go
so
back,
right.
Pause.
Nice, and a side button.
Side button for volume. That's
Very
cool.
nice.
Comes with a couple little batteries to stick in the remote.
Okay.
This thing's heavy.
It's coming. There we go.
Oh, you got it.
Wow.
So this is part of the workout program, is lifting this.
It does weigh a lot, doesn't it?
It does weigh a lot. So it's got a little plastic cover on it already.
Nice. Is there one in
Peloton.
the lens?
No, there's nothing on the lens, which is kind of funny.
Funny. Usually there's something
Usually
on the
they
lens.
cover the lens, not the logo, but okay.
Okay, there we go.
This is nice. It's got like a nice little
Let me check.
cover on it, like a little sweater. And it's got a Peloton logo. It's got a place for the HDMI, so that must be where you hook it up to the TV.
Yep.
And a power.
Ooh, that looks like USB-C or not? Well, we're going to find out.
Well, we're going to find out. And it's got a mute button here and a microphone. And it looks like you can cover the camera so you don't want anybody staring at you while you're while
Well,
you're
why
not
would you
working
do it?
out.
I mean, that's the whole idea, right? Well, I guess it's privacy.
It's cool. Privacy shield. Okay, here's a power cord.
All right. Oh, it's USB-C.
USB-C. Here's some cables.
All right, what do we have? Let's see. Okay, so this is a HDMI cable on one end and an HDMI cable on the other end. What a surprise.
So
Okay.
hook that up to the TV.
That's cool.
And this must be the charging cable.
Let's see.
USB-C.
Oh, USB-C to USB-C. Both ends are USB-C. That's cool. It's a
There's the
mount.
mount.
So how does it mount? Does it show it?
You can stick it on here.
Oh, there we go. So you can just take it, put it in an angle. That's
That's
cool. Yeah.
That's it.
Is that the camera? Yeah, the camera's open
That's
there.
the camera.
That's
So
cool.
the camera's open. All right, so this is the heart rate monitor. Now this is optional. It's packaged pretty well.
Okay.
Peloton heart rate band. Here's the heart rate pod. And here's the armband. All right, so it says it comes with a pod, a charger, and a USB adapter. Ooh, there's the little pod. It's so cute. Look at it. Tiny little pod there. And here's a huge book for the heart rate band. There's the charger for the heart rate band.
Probes on there for the electric, and it's USB-C, which is nice. Pod charger and USB adapter. Where's the USB adapter?
Maybe it's inside that box and I missed it.
Here? Oh, heck with it. I don't care about this, right? I don't think so. I don't think it's empty.
We're going to tear it open. There it is.
Wow. You know, so this is interesting because this is interesting. USB-C and the adapter for
Plug it into
USB-A.
USB-A.
But it's so small.
It's so small and everything's black. So
and it didn't weigh anything, and it was hard to open, right?
Yeah,
so
it would have been easy to miss
to miss
that.
it.
So if you get one of these, make sure you don't throw it
Don't
away.
forget it. Good thing we read the box.
Yeah, there we go. Peloton armband.
I think half the weight of this packaging, or this package, is the packaging.
Okay, this is pretty straightforward.
Nothing else? No adapters?
No adapters. It's Pretty nice. Matches. Oh, isn't that cute? Put your little pod in here. Oh,
Oh, you
snapped
got it.
in.
It's nice and tight.
Nice and tight. But this is a small, and it's small. So I don't think you'll be using this, Mark.
No? Let me see. All right, so this is it. And then the bottom, it has the
Has the heart rate sensors.
all the sensors on it, right? So that's pretty cool. And yeah, you're right. It is it's stretchy.
It's sure a lot better
alive.
if you've ever worn a heart rate monitor that goes around your chest. This is a lot nicer than that.
Yep.
So that's it. That's the Peloton guide.